Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you a way, if you're struggling to touch your toes, how to work on it. So, if you can't touch your toes like this, and you get stuck here, but you can bend your knees and touch your toes, then that's how you can work on it. So gradually, if I stand up in the wee box here, you can have the knees bent like this, have your hands on your feet, or even on the floor, and then just gradually start to stick your bum up in the air. You don't need to worry about getting the knees straight, as long as you're feeling this stretch in your hamstrings. If you do this 100 million bajillion times, you will start to find it easier, and it'll become much easier whenever you just start to go from the top and try and touch your toes. Like that, okay? So give that a go. Remember, 100 million bajillion times, and you'll find that your hamstrings feel awesome. Okay, guys?